fantastic. Hi, I'm Brian. I spoke to you on the phone, and this is Joe. He's the groom.
Sorry I'm late. I had to stop off and get some cold medicine. Hi, honey. Ready for a good time? So, you boys ready for a show?
Look, you really don't have to do
Oh,
this.
no. You're the groom. This is your special night.
You poor kid. You're in no condition for this.
Hey. Giving in to a cold is the worst thing you can do.
We took her up to surgery.
No, well, then why don't you erase the name? Is that too difficult?
I was busy pulling up the chart you asked for, Albelay.
She was Carrie Weaver's patient?
That's what it says. You're welcome. It's not the flu.
I'm not saying anything.
Allergies.
I didn't say a thing.
I'm gone.
Break a leg.
Oh, Dee, you don't sound too good, baby. Or maybe you ought to just stay in bed.
Honey, don't be silly. I'm fine. Besides, it's Thanksgiving. I have a feast to prepare.
And germs to spread.
Well, thank you, Mr. Sensitive. Hey, Daddy.
Hey, baby.
Oh, Dee, you look terrible. Well, viral infections will do that to a person.
I don't want you to do a thing but rest, because I'm going to wait on you hand and foot.
Oh, honey, that is so sweet.
All I got to do is pick up Sandy from the airport and change my shirt.
Besides, I'm feeling much better.
Oh, Dee. Honey, you're sick. Why don't you go on back upstairs?
I'm fine. Just fine.
I'm fine. Won't stay that way.
They've made us grow closer and our bond stronger.
Mm-hmm. And thank you for my health. Thank you.
You gonna cry?
No. Let me see.
You are sick. Usually when you sneeze, it's just one of those little bird sneezes. That was a door slammer, Christine.
Rosemary Richardson, age 55. She came down with influenza last week, succumbed yesterday. No attending physicians, so we brought her down here to verify cause of death. You'll notice the pronounced alopecia areata.
Alopecia what?
Hair loss. It's the third one like this I've seen in the last 10 days.
Wait a minute. This flu not only kills you, it makes your hair fall out?
Comes to matters of the heart, Dad operates with the dexterity of a skilled surgeon. You should talk to your mother.
Relationships are tough, honey, at any age, especially yours. You've got school, homework, family, friends, the future. You feel like things are changing day to day, and you just can't make sense of it all.
Wow, she really is good.
Don't drive yourself crazy, Park. Just show Annie that you care, but don't push it. She wants a nice, simple dinner out. Just give it to her. Don't overdo it.
Got it. It's funny how the mind works. When you're healthy, you don't remember how awful it is to feel miserable. And when you feel miserable, all you can think about is how great it was to be healthy. If I had a clue what was going on in Annie's head, maybe I could find a cure before it's too late.
Breakfast, Captain Crunch, Fruit Loops.
Come
Come on, honey, back to bed. It's night-night time.
God, I hate New York when it rains.
Yeah, I thought you liked walking in the rain.
Well, yeah, I do, with an umbrella. Well, that doesn't make any sense. Is that supposed to be a joke?
No, it's from Annie Hall.
Oh, yeah.
Well, that's supposed to be your favorite movie.
Well, yeah, it is, but I don't go around living it.
You're right. Who cares about a movie? You're here in real life. Who could ask for more?
Oh, great. Now I'm getting a cold.
Could I get you a tissue?
No, thanks.
So, guess what? I got an interesting offer the other day.
Oh, yeah? What happened? What's up?
Yeah, I got this job offer from a really successful advertising firm.
Oh, good for you.
Yeah, it's in New York.
What, New York, Yankee, New York?
That's the one. Oh, man, did you guys drink my juice?
Nah.
No.
You sick?
What was your first clue?
I never get sick. Go ahead, cough on me.
Excuse me?
Nah, cough all over my face. I'll prove it to you. Right here.
Okay.
See? Right there, I'm cool. Nothing.
Guess I should get sick more often, huh?
That's for sure. Go to bed.
Well, I know you're probably thinking that because I'm and she's, you know, Miss Lowy. Oh! Yep, that's what she's thinking. All right.